Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and creating an isolated environment. Install Python 3. 8 or newer if missing, then open your terminal, run Python version and pip version to confirm. Once done, create a virtual environment with Python env so dependencies stay local. Activate that env. On Mac OS/Linux, use source env/bin/activate. On Windows, use \env\scripts\activate, and make sure the prompt changes, because that indicates you're ready to install Jupyter. Next, install Jupyter and register a kernel so notebooks use your environment. First, upgrade pip with pip install upgrade pip, then install either Jupyter Lab for a modern UI or Notebook for the classic interface. Install ipykernel and run Python ipykernel install username env to bind the environment to Jupyter. Once installed, also pip install essential packages like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib so your notebooks run. Make sure to verify the kernel appears in Jupyter's kernel list before launching. Finally, launch Jupyter and confirm everything runs. In your activated env, execute Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook and follow the local URL and token it prints. Copy that into a browser if it doesn't open automatically. If the kernel won't start, make sure you selected the correct kernel, then reinstall ipykernel or rebuild the virtualenv and re-register. One key troubleshooting tip: if packages conflict or commands fail, check path and deactivate other environments, then run pip check to find dependency issues before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.